You are just in time. Things are about to get saucy. This is where smash burger meets taco, and it's love at first bite. After I have a sip. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm gonna walk you through the love affair, so bear with me. We have some few simple ingredients here. I'm gonna start with keto wraps that I get at Costco, and I'm sure most grocery stores will carry them. And this is where it starts, folks. I'm gonna place this down here. I've taken 1 pound of ground beef and put it into 4 balls here. I'm gonna take the first ball. I seasoned it lightly with a little bit of garlic powder, Cajun, because we love that stuff, and onion powder, and a little bit of Baja Gold sea salt. Okay, we're gonna take this and we're just gonna spread it out. And I mean spread it, okay? Make it nice and flat. See how it just fits perfectly. That is the start, okay? Come on over with me. We're gonna get things heated up over here. A little splash of olive oil. Okay, I think the pan is heated up nicely. We're gonna take the tortilla and see how the meat is sticking to it nice. Okay, we're gonna put it in. Hear the sizzle. That's what you want. And we're just gonna let that sit here for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's baby making power. Oh my goodness, look at that. So we're gonna top it now with a little bit of Tex-Mex shredded. And I'm gonna put a lid on it just so it gives it a chance to melt. Check this out. That looks so amazing. Okay. I put it on the plate here and we're gonna take it back to the baby making station. Come on, folks. So here we are back at the station. We're gonna put on some of our favorite toppings. I'm gonna put on a couple pieces of tomato. Oh, let's go that way. There we go. And some onion. And some lettuce. And we put, this is the cilantro lime crema. It's in one of our other videos. We put this stuff on everything. So there we go. Take a look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks so delightful. This is how easy it is. This is the love story between smash burger and taco. And this is Getting Saucy with CC. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. It does help the channel and it is free. Oh, I can never forget this. Don Julio. Till next time. And click above here for the cilantro lime crema video. This stuff is the bomb. See you next time.